guys, I've had a bunch of requests to show an example of how to use indicator to EA robot converter with half trend indicator. First of all, you need to download the robot from the MQL5 market. You also need the half trend indicator to be in the indicators folder. You will need the buffers for the buy and the sell arrows, and you are good to go. An easy method to get the buffers is to go to the indicator options, colors tab, and change the colors of the arrows, and that number will be the buffer for sell and buy. Now, we will add in this field the name of the indicator that we want to use. After this, we will add the buffers. This robot is a light version, but there is in description a premium version where you can add 2 more filters for the entry signals. Also, you can use 2 types of martingale and much more. As you can see, the robot opens the trades at exact point where the arrow appeared. You can use this robot with any indicator that has buffers. Please like and share this video. Happy trading!